Hey, love no dey reach person again o. The kind things wey people dey see for marriage, e suppose even sometimes sef marriage no go even hungry you do. E better make you marry person wey dey good than make you go marry person wey get money, then make dem come dey show you problem. E get this man wey dem dey call Makojola Ayedun. This man don kill him wife use him motor crash this woman down, kill her because of wetin? Something wey no even get sense. Him friend na him come outside say this man don kill him wife say wetin happen? Say the wife dey challenge am for gate, and before this man go see as this man on him car motor, say him brake fail. But people wey dey there talk say no be wetin happen say this man na so this man dey always beat him wife. Say every time na this man dey beat him wife. Say the last one wey even happen, say this woman buy kolo, all of us know, na piggy box for him pikin, because the pikin say he wants big party, he wan do big party, so make him mama dey gather money for am. Na this boy keep this box as the papa come, the papa say wetin make you go buy the box? Na the papa carry this box break am. You see say some men craze dey worry them for head. Him break this, as him break am finish, na him come go meet the wife. Beat the wife, say wetin make this woman go buy this thing? As two of them dey fight, na he collect this woman phone from her hand. See, make nobody call this woman. As he don beat the woman finish, make nobody follow her talk. Then the woman say vex. As the man dey drive, wan go try start him motor, the woman say go stand for gate, make he give am him phone, make he give am him phone. Say which kind thing be this? Before the man go see, as the man start him motor, out of anger, the man just use speed, they jam this woman for back. Na there this woman just die. See this kind husband wey dey marry, you know say your wife dey your back, you no even wait say okay, and na the speed wey even use. Na people talk say the man dey talk say him brake fail. People talk say no brake fail. Say this man no even like him wife at all. Say na so him dey beat this woman from the beginning. Say the marriage sef, but me I dey advise una wey una know say na husband dey beat una, wetin una dey stay for this marriage for? Some people sef wey dey even read hear this thing, na so their husband dey beat them na so their wife sef dey beat them, because no be only man now. Some women, if they carry their husband up like this, you sef go shock. But wetin una still dey do for that kind of marriage? This one na death na come be the option. If you beat na, pack your load comot na. Una dey fear to divorce, say wetin? People go talk say you don leave your husband, but as they kill you now, you no still leave am. The man go marry another person last. But this one I sure say he no fit come out he must go jail, because this man, all the whole beating self when don dey beat the wife, they suppose add themselves plus the death, sentence am. Maybe they go kill himself, because if you kill person, they go kill you self. They suppose find the right judgment for this man, because wetin this man do, e no good. But my advice for una now, if una dey for abusive relationship, make una comot. Some people na ordinary boyfriend and girlfriend they don beat your life comot, your eyes don swell up, your mouth don swell up. Wetin you still dey the relationship dey do na? The thing no dey tire you, be like say you like sufferness for this life. Leave the person. If the thing tire you, go. If they beat you too much, go. Una go dey hide am, say una dey protect the man. He's the honey in my tea, he's the sugar, until they go kill you before you go know say this man no even be any honey for your tea. Na him be the killer, the serial killer for your life. Make una dey get sense. So then I go pray say make una dey marry better person. If una wan marry, make una dey find better person marry. Person wey be say na God na go choose for, no be say na go marry finish. Una go come talk say na devil na send am to her. Before una marry, una don date, una don know how this person be. Some people sef sabi pretend. Na make una suppose know this person well before una even marry this person. Then divorce na always an option. If you know say this marriage no favor you, leave the person. No dey fear of wetin person wan talk. No dey fear anybody. If una get anything sef when I wan talk, make una sef comment, because I know say this kind thing it dey always happen. But people no dey just voice out, they go dey keep am, they protect the person. Make una comment. People wey be say na dey go through this kind thing, make una sef talk. Una fit see person wey go help una from this comment section. Make una no forget to like, share, and also subscribe for this channel as we get new tori for una. I go dey see una for our next story.